Welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. I'm going to apply Revolution Prime and Lock to my eyelids to prime for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to blend out the primer with my blender. Next, I'm going to set the prime and lock with my B9 banana powder. For my crease, I'm going to use the brown shade in the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette using the orange shade to use as my transition color. My colors have been applied, so now I'm going to blend them out. Blend, blend, blend for your life, honey. To make the blending even more smoother, I'm going to use a clean brush. I am now ready for Revolution's Canvas Cut Crease, and I'm going to apply that to my lids. With this product, I'm going to begin to cut my crease. Once again, I will set with my benign banana powder. Now I'm going to move on to the Warrior palette and use the color Dahomey. I'm using a flat brush so I can pat on and get as much pigment as possible. I'm going back into the Zulu palette to use that brown eyeshadow shade I used before. I'm taking a makeup wipe to wipe off the excess eyeshadow to clean it up a bit. I will now go in with LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Orange Corrector. To get the best payoff with this corrector, you need to let it get a little tacky before you start to blend it in with your beauty blender. On top of that orange, I'm going to use Warm Honey. Now it's time for foundation. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty in Gingerbread and Cinnamon. Remember to move quickly when using this foundation. I'm going to highlight using LA Girl Pro Conceal HD in the shade Pure Beige and in NYX Got You Covered Total Concealer in the shade Golden. And I'm going to mix those together and apply as my highlighting. I'm going to set my highlight with the B&I Banana Powder. I'm going to use the shades Dark Cocoa and Chestnut to contour my face. To get a more softer contour, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Contour Kit in the deepest brown shade. For my blush, I'm going to use MAC's Blush Sweet as Cocoa. For my highlight, I used the eyeshadow Amina from the Warriors palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette using that brown shade to apply it below my lash line. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to use Maybelline's mascara called Falsies. Now it's time for lips. I'm going to go in with NYX's lip liner in the shade Brown. On my lips, I'm going to apply NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Odessa. On top of that, I'm going to use NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. Time to set with the old classic favorite, Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray.